Hi, good morning. It's been quite some time that we wanted to plant more and more trees and make the food forest that we have planted out here at our organic farm more dense. Last 2 years we didn't get a chance because rainfall was less. But this year, since rain is good, we had planned to plant all kinds of fruit trees. And here we have got our saplings after a lot of effort. So it's come from Andhra Pradesh, from Rajahmundry, the capital, the nursery capital of India. So I'll just pan and take you all through the saplings that we have got to plant this year. More are arriving next week, but right now we've got over 1,500 saplings. So this is bamboo. This is the Indian indigenous forest variety of bamboo. It grows to a height of close to 50-60 feet in its lifetime. So this is the one we have got. This is Nimbu. This is again Desi Nimbu saplings that we have got. Yeah, it's a nice aroma. Again, there's bamboo, there's tamarind, Desi variety that we have received this year. We have tried emphasizing on planting indigenous varieties because they're more pest resistant, they need less water and stuff. This is Kesar mangoes, many mango saplings. This is jackfruit, fanas. So I know fanas doesn't come in our side. It comes more towards the hilly mountainous regions where rainfall is higher. But it's a Indian indigenous tree, and if brought up well, can come across any region. So this is fanas. This is guava, Peru. Combination of both red guava and white guava. So red and white is the inside color. On this side you can see jamun. So this is jamun out here. Inside there's sweet lime. This is sweet lime. So nice big saplings. They are close to 6 to 7 feet in height, some of them. We're also trying to experiment. Okay, there's a jamun out here. There's a watermelon, sweet lime out here. So Mosambi, some already fruiting because the saplings are big. We wanted to save on a couple of years, so we've got large saplings. We've got tall heighted saplings. Otherwise the small saplings, you have to maintain them for 2-3 years, keep weeding them, keep watering them, and we didn't want to. We wanted to maximize this year's rainfall, so we've got large saplings. We've also got apple trees. Now apple is more or less inhabitant to northern India, but we want to try this out and see how apple comes if you create the right environment. We're not really focused on getting the fruit, but even if the tree comes and starts flowering or blossoms and blooms out here and adds to the biodiversity of the food forest, we are happy with it. There's Aula out here. There are two types of Aulas. You've got the small one and the large one, the Rai Aula. So this is Aula. Even these saplings are pretty big. Behind me is custard apple, Sitafal and Ramfal. At this side, we have got some fig trees. So these are fig trees, small saplings. So fig, Aula, apple, jamun, Sitafal. There are chikkus, sapota trees. Chikkus are of, I think, 4 to 5 feet height. All these are chikkus. Again, jamun. a beautiful fruit to eat. The fact that its foliage is dense, it has leaves across around the year. Its shade is amazing. Because of its fruit, a lot many birds come and perch their nests out here. So this is jamun. This is some guava of last year. We have some last season's trees also, saplings. There's fig. There's some bale trees also that we have got. And there is suru for the compound. So this is suru. This is mainly for the compound. The bamboo trees. So these are mainly fruit trees. There are 15 to 20 varieties of fruit trees that we have got this year. And next week we are getting a lot many trees that are medicinal in nature, not compulsory fruit, like Rakta Chandan, Bale, Apta. There are close to 20 varieties that we have been working on the saplings. Next week when they come, we'll introduce you to them. So we're going to plant all these fruit trees with those medicinal trees this year. So close to 2,000 trees that will be planted in the food forest. The objective is to make it a dense food forest. So thanks for all the support that you guys give us. It's possible that we keep planting so many number of trees every year.